How's it going, guys? We got an unboxing video with these headphones from JeeCoo. They are RGB headphones. They're bad A. Let's open this up. Okay, we got a green box. I'm gonna pull out these headphones real quick, and these are wireless headphones, but they have quite a good quality on them. And here we go. All right, the great part about this is separated head pieces, so that way you can individually change them up and down, so that way it fits your head. It got some microphone, and let's go to the box real quick. Deep bass, 50mm driver for your deep bass. It has retro 7.1 sound built in, noise cancellation, microphones, unique headset, and RGB lighting. So when you turn this on, it actually lights up right here, and it will look like RGB. Alright, so the microphone does move, and so it should be very comfortable when you put it in like this. And these can be used on your anything with a USB. Alright, let's go test these out real quick. Alright, we got the headphones plugged in. As you can see, the RGBs work really well. They don't overpower. They actually shine and what's it called, reflect on the headset, so it looks like it has two. They did a really good job on these sets of headphones. The quality on them is pretty good. Now if they don't sound loud enough, the mic doesn't sound loud enough, all you gotta do is just mess with your settings on your computer. That's it. Oh yeah, JeeCoo.